Hi, so this is the Niche Finder course, and before we get stuck into the main lessons, I've put together 2 resources for you that will help make this whole process easier, faster, and dare I say, actually slightly more enjoyable. And think of these as your sat nav and your mini toolkit for this journey we're about to embark on. And one of the resources will help keep you on the right track, and the other will help you get unstuck when your brain does that thing where it decides every idea is just not good enough or too broad or already taken. Okay, so when you hit a brick wall, then the second resource that I'm about to give you might help. So the first resource is the niche evaluation spreadsheet, and this little beauty is going to save you hours of second guessing. You might not get it straight away, but basically it's just a very, very basic spreadsheet. But this is where you're going to input your ideas, and then you're going to score them based on 5 SMART criteria. So one of them would be passion. Do you actually care about it, or is it just a passing fad that you've seen on TikTok or YouTube or something like that, and you think, oh, I could have a go at that? Yeah. So, and the next one is knowledge. Are you winging it, or do you actually know your stuff in this niche? And then other criteria is profitability. And is there long-term income potential, or will it fizzle out by next Tuesday? And there are ways that we can actually find out whether your niche is actually profitable or not. And then another criteria is time. And you have to be honest here. You have to say, how much time can I actually give this niche? Some niches will take more of your time than others. So that's an important criteria to evaluate. And the last criteria, the 5th criteria, is monetization. Can it be turned into a product, service, or evergreen income stream? Yeah, because that's what this is all about here. We're creating evergreen asset-led online businesses. So spreadsheet actually does the maths for you, and it sinks in. It gets right down to the nitty-gritty, and it allows you to take a look at a comparison so you can focus on the ideas that tick all the boxes and that also align with you and that are also attractive to your target market. And you can actually download that resource in this section here under the resource 1 niche evaluation spreadsheet. So you just click that link there and you can download it. Now, resource 2 here, this is under bonus material. And if the spreadsheet is your sat nav, then this one is basically the jump leads to go with your supercharged supercar. Okay, so the niche ideas booster is basically where you get your spark of ideas from. So it's, if your brain is drawing a blank, then inside here you'll find practical exercises which are focus prompts, lots of ways to turn everyday skills and experiences and interests into powerful niche ideas. So it's a really good way where we're not actually chasing down random trends, we're actually identifying real problems, and we're getting inside high demand markets that you're uniquely placed to solve. So you'll go from vague interests to crystal clear niches that people are actually already searching for. Okay, so both of these tools right here are ready for you to download, and they'll make the next lessons a lot smoother, and they'll help give you real clarity, because that's what this course here is all about. It's smart, strategic moves that help build something evergreen and passive. Okay, so grab your resources, open up the spreadsheet, and let's get to work. Your niche is waiting, and it's probably closer than you think.